So in this video I will show you how to install Common Lab software in Linux. So you have to go to the GitHub, go to the account of SM Patel sir, that is Shailesh Manubhai Patel, and go to the repository. You will and go to the CL General, okay, and go to the code and download the zip file. Once it is downloaded, you can see it in the downloaded folder. So download folder, and you can find this zip file, okay. And for this you need LAMP server, okay. You can watch my video about how to install LAMP server. I will share the link in the description. I will also share the zip file in the description also, okay. So you have to just type cd, that is change directory, and go to the downloads, okay. So you will reach to the this folder. Then you have to type unzip cl general master, okay. So now you can see this folder, you can now see, okay. Rename as a latest CL general 4, latest CL general 4, okay. Already different updates I have already installed, okay. Now copy this and go to the file system by var www html. You can see already latest CL general 3 is there. So now I am paste latest CL general 4, okay. Now go to the latest CL general 4, right, and go to the config file. This is config file, okay, and change the database name, okay. You can keep it as a CL general also in the database, but I have already database called CL general, so I am just changing it to latest CL general 4. Here also you have to change it to the latest CL general 4. Okay, this is the name of the database. Okay, one more thing, you can see the location, that var gmc config, your root password, root username and password you have to write in the staff config file, okay. So I will show you that also. Okay, save it. You can see here var, in var you have to make gmcs underscore config folder, and you can see this staff.config file, okay. And you can see you have to write like this: $globals main underscore user, that is root, and $globals main underscore password, that is lipoprotein. This is the root and lipoprotein. These are the username and password of your PHP MyAdmin, okay. This is these things, other things are optional. At least you have to write this main user and password in the staff.config file, okay. It is already there. So now I just have to go to this and go to the PHP MyAdmin. Okay. And type the password. Okay, you have to create the new database. You can see already CL general database is there. So I am writing the new, this latest CL general 4. Okay, that is the name of my database. Then write create. Then you have to import database. So go to the import, then go to the browse, and in the browse you can see this latest CL general folder. The file is there. Go to the latest CL general folder in the var www html folder or in the download. So you have to import the database. So first import the blank file. You can see CL general blank.sql. Just open it. Okay, and go to the open and just go. to see all the tables of the latest CL General 4. But these are the blank files. So again, go to the import, go to the browse, and open the import the data file. This is the data file. Okay, you can see 250 KB size. Okay, then go. So all the data will be updated. Okay, now you have to go in the user folder and create any username. Okay, so user, like insert, go to the insert and write the name. Give the ID like 1. Suppose I am giving the ID 1. Name Dr. Ashish. Okay, password, and just here after writing the password, suppose this is 123 is the password, select here and go to the encrypt. Okay, expiry date, like I am giving up to the December, then it will ask for the change of password. Okay, so 31st December I am. And in authorization you have to write lock, unlock and interim lock for the interim report, and lock unlock for the final report. Okay, so lock, unlock and interim lock, then go to the go, because this is user is created. So now you can go to the browser and type this localhost 127.0.0.1 and you have to write latest CL General 4. Okay, so you can see username, password. Then now you have to write user, that is 1, and password 123. Okay, so now you can see access this software. Okay, you can go to the new and any stem like for the COVID or new direct, go here, write the MRD number, 8-digit MRD number. Okay, name of the patient, department. Okay, this MRD number is compulsory, rest thing is not compulsory. Okay, then go to the examination, go to the biochemistry, suppose select the test parameter, go to the save, then via the interfacing results will automatically transmitted, or you can go to the edit and write the result. Okay, save. Okay, then you have to, after save you can view the file and go to the release. Okay, and then you can print, you can send the email or send the report in the Telegram. So this is common LIS software for patho, micro and biochemistry. It has a wonderful features like you can manage the inventory, you can send the SMS to the doctor, statistics. Okay, you can make the barcode labels, you can make the AMC CMC calibration and preventive program also through this software. Okay, I will share the link for this GitHub file in the description, and also how to install LAMP server, Linux, Apache, MySQL and PHP in the description. Okay, so in the description you will find the video of the how to install LAMP server and also this file, GitHub file. Okay, thank you very much for watching. Bye.